Hey, attorneys, I'd love to throw something out at you and get your opinion. So hopefully you'll want to comment below after you finish this video. So I was over at Starbucks the other day ordering the Impossible sandwich. I don't know if you've had that before. It's actually a very good sandwich. I'm not even a vegetarian, but I would recommend it. And it got me thinking about the use of the word impossible. Okay, so impossible isn't a very common word that you use in marketing because it's kind of negative. I mean, it's basically saying that whatever you're trying to do, no matter how hard you work for it, it's impossible, it's unattainable. But what if you start using it in a more positive way? Kind of what they've done with the Impossible Burger, the Impossible Sandwich. It's the idea that it can't be possible that this tastes so good and yet it's meatless. So I'm thinking, what if attorneys use that same concept in talking about the results of what they get for their clients? So, for example, instead of this, an attorney talking about, I got this case result for my client, or this was the settlement I got for my client. What if they actually said, this is the impossible settlement that I got for my client? One that people did not think it was possible, that other attorneys would not be able to attain, but we did it. What if attorneys in, so that's like personal injury and maybe some other practice areas, but being more specific, what about maybe in family law? If a family law attorney said that this is the child custody arrangement that we were able to get, an impossible one, the impossible visitation arrangement I was able to get for my client. Basically, adding impossible to it to the concept is that you want to say, hey, we made the impossible possible, but we were able to do it. Other attorneys, other law firms, other people just said it couldn't be done, and we made the impossible happen. So I'm just thinking about the use of the word impossible, making it a little bit more positive, and I'm curious as to whether or not attorneys would agree that that's something they could use to make themselves stand out a little bit more on their website specifically. Just throwing it out there. Think about it, comment below, and let me know whether or not you think, is it possible to use the word impossible?